Ever wondered how to turn your garden into a vibrant sea of colors with dahlias? Dahlias are a beloved choice amongst garden enthusiasts, offering a myriad of colors, sizes, and shapes. Their beauty and versatility are truly unmatched. Stay tuned to learn how to grow and care for these delightful flowers. Growing dahlias begins with planting them right. Start in the late spring when the threat of frost has passed. Choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Prepare the soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure for a nutrient-rich base. Dahlia tubers should be placed horizontally in the ground, about 6 to 8 inches deep. Make sure the eye on the tuber is facing upwards. With your dahlias planted, it's time to nurture them to full bloom. Caring for dahlias is a labor of love. They crave water, so quench their thirst regularly, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Nourish them with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer for optimal growth. Keep vigilant for pests. Should you spot any, a gentle insecticidal soap will do the trick. Staking dahlias provides much-needed support for their vibrant, heavy blooms. And don't forget to deadhead spent flowers to encourage more blooming. With proper care, your dahlias will reward you with stunning blooms. Winter can be a challenging time for dahlias. As temperatures drop, it's crucial to lift and store dahlia tubers. Gently dig them up, let them dry, then store in a cool, dry place. Winter care ensures your dahlias return with a flourish next season. Growing dahlias can transform your garden into a riot of colors. We've walked through the stages, from planting these vibrant flowers to nurturing them with care, and even to preparing them for winter's chill. It's a journey, but a delightful one. Imagine your garden blooming with the dazzling hues of dahlias. It's not just about adding beauty to your space, but also about the joy and satisfaction it brings. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening content. Happy gardening!